Top 7 Best Cryptocurrency Apps for Trading. Most people consider trading cryptocurrency as a way of earning passive income. Others consider it as an alternative investment to other traditional forms of investments. Most people trade cryptocurrencies on mobile apps, but desktop apps are also popular for advanced crypto traders. Crypto trading is for individual users, groups, as well as established funds, companies, and institutions. It is a professional undertaking worth considering. The best crypto apps allow users to deposit fiat instantly and at low fees, deposit fiat in many payment methods, trade crypto at no or low fee, and withdraw crypto at no or low fees. Best crypto apps or exchanges also allow users to invest in other ways, including mining, staking, and have integrated custody for institutions. Good apps also allow traders to track prices in real time, set real-time alerts, and do advanced charting to aid trading decisions for purposes of increasing profitability. Get started with our review of the best cryptocurrency apps. Number 1. Best for global users, Etoro. Etoro lets you connect, share strategies, and talk markets with a vast community of users who already use Etoro. When you open a new account, Etoro gives you $100,000 to practice trading cryptocurrency in a virtual portfolio so you can improve your skills. In addition to Etoro's ever-expanding variety of cryptocurrencies and crypto pairs, you'll also enjoy over 30 tools and indicators. Number 2. Best for simplicity, Gemini. Stay on top of market trends, build your crypto portfolio, and execute your trading strategy with Gemini's easy-to-use tools. The Gemini app puts the industry's best crypto exchange and wallet in your hands. You can track asset prices and real-time market prices anytime, anywhere. The app makes it simple to set price alerts so you can act fast on price movements for individual assets. Schedule recurring buys on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to go long on the crypto markets. And Gemini boasts superior cybersecurity and custody solutions. Create a free account and make your buy in as little as 3 minutes. Number 3. Best for absolute beginners, Coinbase. Who's it for? Absolute cryptocurrency beginners who want to make the jump and learn more about some of the most popular options, or buy a little bit of crypto just for fun. Don't know the difference between a Bitcoin and blockchain? Downloading the Coinbase app is an excellent place to begin your journey. Coinbase is a beginner-friendly cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. After you complete the verification, you can use your bank account or a credit card to buy some of the most popular cryptocurrencies. Coinbase even has a new education section that you can use to earn free cryptocurrencies, just by learning more about the coins you want to buy. Coinbase is not available everywhere. The app currently operates in 32 countries but has plans to expand. However, if you've never bought or sold cryptocurrency before, Coinbase is a great place to start learning. Number 4. Best for iPhone, Voyager. Who's it for? Intermediate traders who want to complete more trades and explore the cryptocurrency frontiers beyond Bitcoin and Litecoin. Want to start getting serious with your cryptocurrency investments? You need a comprehensive exchange app that allows you to view charts and buy more than the largest coins on the market. Voyager is a safe and secure exchange that features a number of unique charting tools, commission-free exchanges, and access to more coins than most beginning exchange apps. A combination app that includes exchange capabilities, a solid and secure wallet, and even a market newsfeed, Voyager includes a full set of tools that any serious cryptocurrency investor needs that also includes the simplicity of a more beginner app. Number 5. Best for privacy, Crypto Pro. The Crypto Pro app is compatible with Mac, iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch. You can create custom widgets on the Crypto app for all traded cryptocurrencies, metals, and fiats in all major exchanges. Crypto Pro is best for users concerned with privacy because they don't track any user activity, including portfolio size, viewing habits, or coins favorited. User data is encrypted and stored locally on each device with the option to securely sync and back up via iCloud across all your Apple devices. Number 6. Best for all-in-one software, BlockFi. Whether you're a native crypto user or curious enough to start investing, BlockFi seeks to bring institutional-grade financial products to crypto markets that often face restricted access. It strives to bring clients low-cost, simple applications designed to maximize the potential of crypto assets. It's an independently owned lender, but BlockFi clients benefit from backing by financial giants like Fidelity and SoFi. This means a roster of products mirroring those you'd find at a large corporate bank are available to you. Number 7. Best Sign-Up Bonus, Crypto.com. Crypto.com offers not only an app, but its own CryptoPay, CryptoEarn, CryptoCredit, and the Crypto.com exchange and DeFi wallet. Crypto.com wants to accelerate the world's transition to cryptocurrency, and its wide range of products can help you start your own process. It recently partnered with Visa to offer its Crypto.com Visa card, so you can spend your crypto anywhere Visa is accepted and earn up to 8% back. You verified in less than 5 minutes, and it's free to open an account. The platform offers 24/7 customer support. For more infotainment, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thanks for watching.